Okay, everybody, so I just want to say welcome to A Moment to Shine. It's sparkle time. So today my thoughts are around, gosh, my mind, it's been going like crazy. Like every time I'm thinking, well, what if this happens? Or what if this happens? Or what about this? And I'm like, woo, boy, oh boy, am I creating the stresses and anxieties that have not even happened yet. So a lot of times I have to slow myself down and actually tell myself, thank you, but not today. Not today. I have to slow down and focus on what's going on in the now. Focus on the present. Focus on the things that matter to me the most and the moments that I am making happen at this time. So, those are my thoughts. Let your mind go. Allow yourself and give yourself permission to be the best you for you because you deserve it. And sometimes your mind can get in the way of that. So once again, thanks for giving me the time with you today to have your moment in time to shine with Sparkle Time.